Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to live stream webinar through YouTube using the StreamYard website. So StreamYard providing simple option to live stream webinars to YouTube. So there are three options available: free, basic, and professional. In the free basic, you can share the screen, you can add show the banners. Also, we can show the on-screen comments, live on-screen comments, and change the colors of the brand. And we can choose any. We can stream the content to Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, anything. But in the free, only one channel at a time. So there will be a streaming yard brand symbol in the video. So streaming limitation up to 20 hours per month, but they will not. You can stream the content within a day 20 hours, or you can stream 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour. So per month 20 minutes. There is no limitation in single webinar also. So in that manner it is a very useful one. So using your Gmail account, with that email must have a YouTube channel. So if we have a Gmail account with YouTube channel, give that email ID. They will send a code to your Gmail. Then you will go to the. It will take you to the dashboard. So dashboard will be look like this. So from here we can create an upcoming webinar schedule. So to where we need to stream the content. I have a Gmail account with one channel. So I am going to share the content there. So which title? So description, privacy is public. Schedule for data, you can upload a thumbnail here, or you can schedule a date, create a broadcast. So you don't have to do anything in the YouTube. From here you can control all the YouTube dashboard. So I scheduled the stream meeting link. So we have to, there is a limitation, 6% only can enter into the main screen. So we need to give the separate URL for guests and separate URL for user. So from this option you can get administrator link, or you have to share this link to resource person and other dignitaries. Then you have to share this link for participants. So you didn't do anything in the YouTube. All the works will be taken care by StreamYard platform. So you have to share this URL to the participants. So to access this, so I scheduled it for tomorrow. Now I am going to enter access this studio using Enter Studio. So it will automatically schedule. So it will ask name and enter studio. So you can see as a administrator who log in with the main account can see this all background. Even resource person or participant will not see this option. Only they can see this screen. So until you those who are joining using this URL will be visible here in this page. You have to click add to stream, then only they can see what is happening or what other people who other people joined like that. So the person who are handling only will see these options. All the resource person also can see this option. So we can change the alternate the options using any. So here there is an option called sharing a video file or share screen. So you can ask resource person or anyone to share the screen. So their screen will be shared here. So I'm just switching another. Then there is one simple step you have to do is from clicking the settings option, there is an option called guest. So here guest you have to unclick guest must authenticate option. Otherwise they need to log in with Gmail account, then only they can join. So we don't have to give that kind of extra activity to resource person. So with using only that URL, they can enter into our broadcast studio. So as a, so for other people who are joining, first time it will ask like this. See, this is the other people's screen. So they can't see all the settings options here. So for administrator, it will show all the settings options. So he joined. So I need to add to stream. Otherwise, he can't see what is going in the meeting. So it will show you are in the show. So you can change the layout using anything. If he is sharing the screen, you can select this one. So the space will come like left side. Main screen will be showing the biggest. So after joining everything, uh, meeting going to start means you just need to click go live. Your meeting will be started live in the YouTube. So I scheduled tomorrow, but I am going to live now to last confirmation. So I am giving now. So live streaming is started. This is it. So see, because we are using the free platform, their logo will be embedded into video. So using the brand option, we can change the color. So from here, we can see the live chat in the YouTube. Those who are typing or asking question in the live chat automatically will display. You don't have to go to the YouTube what they are saying in the comment section. Everything will come here. So you don't have to worry about the comment section or questions from the user. Also, you can use the banner option to say something to the user without telling voice. You can scroll the text in the below video. Like this. So you can change the text anytime. You can delete or you can edit. This is a simple setting. It's a simple method also. You don't have to worry about anything. You can continue meeting till 20 hours per day. So without any restrictions, we can conduct the webinar using the StreamYard website. So finally, after webinar ends, we can just click end broadcast. That's all. Simple.